how to fix your Snapchat camera not working in your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. If you're also facing such issue, that is your camera not being opening or certain type of issue occurring like error message being displayed when you try to open your Snapchat camera, then in that case first thing what you can do is just open up your Snapchat application and click on the profile icon at the top left corner, and from over here just click on settings at the top right corner. So once you click on it, just scroll all the way down until you see the option called clear cache. Just tap on this and make sure to clear all the cache from over here. So another thing what you can do is just open up your settings. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option called apps. Just select it and you can simply search in for Snapchat from over here and just locate it, and basically give the permission to camera by simply tapping on this permission option and make sure your camera has been allowed. So finally, the last step what you can also do is just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for a Snapchat application and make sure to update your application if there's any update available. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.